At Pabau, we are always looking for ways to improve our videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe to stay in the loop with new content.
Have you ever wondered how we can measure health and longevity? Biomarkers are the key. These measurable biological indicators provide insights into our health, age, and response to treatments. They hold great potential, but proper interpretation is crucial. Biomarkers help estimate our biological age and predict our health span. Examples include inflammatory markers and DNA methylation clocks. However, each biomarker is just one piece of a bigger puzzle. While biomarkers seem objective, misleading results can occur. For instance, high C-reactive protein levels indicate inflammation, but not the cause. It's essential to approach biomarker data with caution and avoid overpromising outcomes. To interpret biomarkers responsibly, a structured approach is vital. Consider patient history and lifestyle. Use standardized testing methods to ensure data reliability. Look at changes over time, not just isolated results. This will provide a clearer clinical picture. Some biomarkers, like hsCRP and telomere length, are often misunderstood. It's essential to contextualize their significance and integrate them into comprehensive patient care. To leverage biomarkers effectively, establish baseline panels and monitor them over time. Platforms like Pabau help visualize this data, allowing better communication with patients about their health trajectory. Ethical communication is critical. It's vital to avoid overstating results. Instead of saying a biomarker proves something, use language that suggests trends. This builds trust with patients seeking longevity insights. Ultimately, the power of biomarkers lies in their integration into clinical decision-making. They help monitor interventions and personalize care, but they should complement comprehensive assessments and clinical judgment.
Visit our website where we have over 6,000 free templates and resources to choose from.